Kong. Simbolajet seems to be either America or Canada here. In front of a cemetery. Very flat all throughout. We're seeing signs 96. Okay, junction 96. This is junction 96. Kansas. There's 96. Okay, Sharon Prince Leoty. Sharon Prince Leoty. Okay, let's go. Over here. Okay. See which way though. Oh, this one. Yes, sir. I think we did 5K yet. Tribune. Cemetery 2 in Tribune. I think it's a 5K. Or maybe it may be there. I don't know. Is it a 5K in Kansas? Let's see. Nice. It is a 5K. It's nice. Nice find. Tribune. This is my Tribune. Next would be, I think, either Austria or Rasniberg. I'm just gonna guess in Austria. Rabnitz and Gumberg. Rabnitzbrook. I don't know. Let's see. Right there, outside of grass. To inflict some more damage to our opponent. Oh no, they have Russia as one of their strongest regions. Okay, Indo here. Indo Christian Church. Okay, signage. What? Bangsu Jokowi, what? No, not sure here. The signs are not too legible, unfortunately. It may be Sula, it may be either Sula or North Sumatra, so it might be difficult. Not quite sure here. We need better signs, to say the least. So far, Rote Island. Oh, stuff. Opponent now with a 1200 point lead. Ooh, what is this? Inside the house. Just almost inside the house. And such. What are these locations? Beside the river? Beside the river though. No coverage in Vietnam. Then again, it should be tough. Just gonna go Central Vietnam and hope it sticks. I don't know. I do not know. This location, by the way. Bintan. Oh, I feel like I've heard of Bintan somewhere. Surely. Bintan. No. Maybe Bintan is a street. I don't know. Beside the How River though. Okay. This is Bulgaria. What seems to be Bulgaria. Yes, sir. Bulgaria. Then, okay, we got... What? Say no. Dobrich. Forgot where Dobrich should be. There you go. There's the bridge. Very mountainous area. The bridge and Deno za odpad Bishri. There you go. Nice, that evens the game. Pretty much we move on to the high multi rounds. Like this one. Europe. Somewhere in Europe now. Romania. Mores. Mores. This one, okay. Nice. Seeing Targu Mores, that's nice. Okay. Oh no, is it Kazakhstan? I don't know. Should be Kazakhstan. Pretty mountainous. I'm not sure if it's winter. I'm not entirely sure. Is it winter? There's a mountain. So I'm thinking of Almaty here. You could be wrong, but to the south there's like big mountains, yeah. Icy cap mountains. So hopefully we have detected the correct weather. Is it winter coverage? It may be winter coverage. We're thinking it might be Almaty. It is definitely in Almaty. 1,600 point damage. Dealt to our opponent in round number 7, but we must move on to round number 8. This one is surely okay. This is difficult. This is Greenland. Could be game. This could be game. Greenland, like I don't know. I don't know, dude. Oh man, way up north. Way up north. This is difficult. Greenland is difficult. Wait a minute. What map is this? Why do I have Greenland? Is that an informed world? I don't know. Wait a minute, dude. A-type guardrail, okay. What else? A-type guardrail somewhere. Italy. This is the block middle of Italy, man. Huge mountains everywhere. It's the Blanc, Italy. What are telltale signs that this is Italy? Or maybe the pole is kind of Italian, you know? In a way. Fascinating. Nice. We still hold a 1,400 point lead moving to round 10. Moving to perfect 10. Oh, we are in Ghana. Okay, we are in Ghana. Okay, we got to the south we got Zanzibar. Okay, heading north-south road, north-south street in Ghana. Okay, we got North Labone. Okay, we got more signs. Clifton. Galaxy Capital. What else? Fifth Circular Road. Is Is it just Accra? We're not sure here. We're not quite sure if this is just Accra or elsewhere. Embassy of the US. Fifth circular. Kakaramandu, Accra. North what? Should be Accra. Yes, sir. Ah, there's Labone. Okay, there's Labone. Fifth circular road. Okay. Next, round number 11. Should be Mexico here. We're having Mexico. We have rocks. What doesn't? Okay, it doesn't look like. It really doesn't look like. Let's go Michoacan and trust because of the truck. We just trust the truck. That's it. It's difficult. 4.5x on a Mexico round is difficult. Just trust the truck. It's a truck, however, and trucks go places. We know that well. We know that well. Indeed. Okay, nice game. Yes. First game, first win. And we have a 5K in round number 1 in Kansas. Let's go. Pinpointed the off-road near the cemetery. So we climbed 30 points to 1381, just beside Magnus and Ten Dog. Let's go. So let us check our recent games. Okay, 5K of course in Kansas. Tribune road number and road names. Austria. This was actually in Rote Island. We haven't had a location in Rote for the longest time because Christian churches as well. East Nusa Tenggara, interesting. South Vietnam, Bulgaria. Thankfully we found the sign that says Dobrich. Almaty, we got Almaty vibes thanks to the winter coverage here, but we confirmed that through big mountains all throughout. It's not quite visible here, right? We should have a different angle. Not quite. The ones we have during the rounds, we kinda saw where the huge mountains are, but it's not that apparent here. Wonder why. Anyway, let's watch the game later. Swiss Almaty, round number 8 was north in Greenland. 9 was in Italy. Both of us settled for middle guess. It was Accra, and finally Michoacan. Thanks to the truck. Okay, let's first watch our round number 1. Kansas, Tribune, Kansas. My Tribune. This is my Tribune. KS27. Nice. And then round number 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. That's it. Okay. Let's first watch our 5K, round number 1. This one took just 46 seconds, so that's a fairly fast 5K. Thankfully we went north. Most of the signage are found north. It's a cemetery, probably the southern end of the plot. So that enabled us to pinpoint it was junction we are. Okay, 96, Kansas 96, and we saw Sharon Springs and Leote. Okay, 96. There's 96. That's a quick find. We have found road number 96 quite quickly. Trying to find Leote. Okay, there's Leote. Okay. And looking back, there's Sharon Springs. Okay, the Sharon Springs. It's Tribune. And there you go. Going back to spawn, it was on the southern end of the cemetery. And we were able to 5K, get within 8 meters of the correct location. Nice 5K in a matter of 46 seconds. Let us watch again. Thankfully, let's try to watch it again. Thankfully, we headed north. Oh, come on, cooperate, please. Please cooperate. Having some sort of technical issues here just after watching our 5K. Unfortunately. Alright. Let us try to watch the replay once again. Here we go. Alright, round number 1, yet again. Let's run it back, 46 seconds. Turn north. There's a cemetery to our west. Okay, you can see that. No signages though. So you continue to press on towards the north. Thankfully, we got state-specific road number sign 96. And you got some towns as well to help us narrow this down. North to Sharon Springs and west to east rather to Leote. We found Kansas 96 quite quickly. There we go, Leote, and we think we might be in Tribune. There's some sort of cemetery here. So we have found the Unmarked cemetery. Finding Unmarked cemetery, so that's nice. Okay, KS 27, Tribune, Texas. Let's go. Then we had round number 5. Round number 5 took 25 seconds because there's a Bulgarian flag, of course, and we also had a sign to Dobrik. It took a while to find Dobrik actually. It was so vaguely familiar. Wait, there you go. Dobrik, okay. Bulgaria, I forgot where Dobrik should be. Forgot where it should be. There you go, nice. That's so cool. And then round number 6 was I think our phone had funds first, but thankfully we didn't manage to find the city. Well, it was fairly sized city, so there you go. You had TG Mures, Domania. Targumores, actually Targumores is a fairly large city, so you're expected to find it. It's nice. Okay. Targumores. There you go, Targumores. Okay. It's nice. Just put it to time to pinpoint it, but we were 2.6 kilometers away. So, round number 7 took 34 seconds to deduce that we are in Almaty. Okay, snow-capped mountains, not quite visible from this vantage point, so we're trying to move towards the north. Okay, some sort of perimeter wall here, perhaps blocking our view of the mountains found south of Almaty. But we had suspicion this might be winter coverage, so okay, there you go, peeking through the houses, mountains clothed with clouds and snow. We have identified we are in Almaty. That is nice. Okay, for round number 11, this one took 26 seconds. Trying to figure out we are in Mexico earlier on. It says Viva Mexico, of course, in the banderitas. There are rocks all over, but it could not be Yucatan. It's too dry to be Yucatan. But okay, we saw in the truck, it says Mitch. Trusting the Mitch acronym. Okay, it says Morella. It actually said Morelia, right? I think it actually said Morelia, and it's just outside of Morelia. That's nice. Nice win. Founding an unmarked cemetery. Let's go. Oops. Where the link's kind of broken. I don't know. Nice. We have won our last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, or rather 6 of our last 7 games. This resulted to 69% guess rate. Nice. 52% win ratio. Let's go.